Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Outlook rules for faster email triage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Outlook application. Navigate to the top menu and click on the File tab. In the sidebar, select Info. Click on Manage Rules and Alerts. A new window will appear. In this window, click on New Rule. You will see a list of rule templates. Select Apply Rule on Messages I Receive and click Next. Now, choose the conditions for your rule. You can select multiple conditions if necessary. For instance, check From People or Public Group. Click on the underlined People or Public Group link to specify the sender. Add email addresses or select from your contacts. After specifying senders, click OK. Click Next to proceed to the actions. Choose what you want to do with the messages that meet your conditions. For example, select Move it to the specified folder. Click on the underlined specified link to choose the target. Select the folder where you want to move these emails. Click OK to confirm your selection. After setting your actions, click Next to set any exceptions if desired. Specify any exceptions that should apply to this rule. If there are no exceptions, click Next again. Give your rule a name for easy identification. Check the box for Turn on this rule if it isn't already selected. Click Finish to create your rule. You'll return to the Rules and Alerts window. Click Apply to activate your new rule. Finally, click OK to exit the Rules and Alerts window. Your new rule is now set up and will help streamline your email triage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.